Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of JustWatch app. We click on settings. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about JustWatch app and you can click here. After that, in this page of app info you will click on first stop, then you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode, and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.